Putting your thermostat on an exterior wall is one of the quickest ways to mess up your home's temperature control and waste energy without even realizing it. You want your thermostat to get the real vibe of your home's temperature, right? When it's on an outside wall, it's getting hit by the cold or heat from the outside way more than the air inside. So it might think your house is colder or hotter than it really is, and turn the heating or cooling on more than needed. It's best to slap that thermostat on an inside wall where the temperature stays pretty steady all day long. Also, keep it away from doors or windows, because drafts can confuse the thermostat too. Avoid putting it near vents, lamps, or any heat-producing appliance so it doesn't get tricked by localized heat. If you want spot-on temperature readings, pick a spot about 5 feet off the floor, not hidden behind furniture or curtains. These little placement moves help your heating and air conditioning system work smarter, not harder, saving you some cash and keeping you comfy. One of the biggest thermostat placement mistakes is putting it on an exterior wall where outside weather throws off the readings. Fix that by moving it inside. Another common issue is placing it too close to windows or doors that let in drafts, which can make your system run unnecessarily. Just move it a few feet away from those spots. Lastly, a lot of folks set their thermostat near heat sources like lamps or electronics, causing it to think the room is warmer than it is. Keep it away from anything that puts out heat for accurate control. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for their home improvement needs, so you don't have to stress about who to hire. It also gives contractors a great way to connect with people looking for reliable help on projects big or small.